So what is up, guys? It has been a minute that I haven't actually filmed a video. It's been probably like 3 weeks, but yeah, I am on summer break now, so the videos should be coming out more often and I should be making more videos, I guess. So I just want to show you guys something new that I got some MB battles. They're 18 by 9.5 plus 15. They're not new, but they're new to me, but I still have to clean them up a bit. Obviously you can see in here there's a lot of like plasti dip peeling. So what I'm thinking happened is the previous owner, or one of the previous owners, plasti dipped them, and then since they sprayed this top face, it was nice and thick so they could easily peel that off. And I think all this in the barrel is all light, like overspray, so it's really hard to take off. But I think I found a solution. I've cleaned this up so far right here and it's coming out pretty nicely, so I'm gonna show you guys how to remove that right now. But I already got this one over here all cleaned. There's a little bit of dust in there, but it took me a while, but I already cleaned this one. So I'm going to clean this one, and I think I'm going to throw these two on the front of the IS today. I don't think I'm going to be able to throw those on the rear just because the rear is tucking, and in the front I still have a little bit of space to like kind of poke it out. I already did test fit them and they kind of sit on the fender, but I guess we're going to try it and see, you know, hope for the best, I guess. So if any of you guys are interested or have an IS or a 350Z or anything, I am selling these wheels right here. They are 370Z stocks. They are 18 by 9 in the rear plus 15 and 18 by 8 plus 45 or 43 in the front. I have all four. They're like pretty much like perfect condition, 9 out of 10. Don't mind these wheels, these are not mine, but I'm going to be selling those, so hit me up on Instagram if you want to buy them. They're just kind of taking up space right here. And the only reason I'm not going to throw them on the IS is because when I wanted to put them on, I bought those before those rims, and I wanted to put them on, but I gotta show you guys. So I wanted to put them on, but since my car wasn't that low, they would like poke out all the way out here. But now that I lowered it a lot more, it cambered in, and they would fit a lot better and not poke out. They'd be like super like good fitment compared to those MB battles that I have, but it's pretty much the same exact design as this, so it doesn't make sense to take these off and put those on when I've already kind of had this look for a while. So that's why I'm switching over to the MB battles. So one thing before I get started, I just want to ask you guys, do you guys want to see more of like in-depth videos, like maybe do weekly posts of just something strictly like more into detail and more of how to do it? Or do you guys want like double uploads of me just doing my thing, working on cars, and not really going off of like an agenda, just doing what I do and just filming it? The main reason I ask this is because I don't watch my videos, so that's why I want to make videos that you guys want to watch, because it makes no sense to just put out videos just out there. I'd rather put videos out there that you guys will enjoy and maybe, you know, learn something from it. So that's why I'm asking. So let me know down in the comments below. I'm not going to be doing anything crazy like daily uploads and all that because my schedule is pretty tight, but I'm going to try to do my best to give you guys more videos just right now that I'm in the summer. So what I'm going to be using today is this paint remover right here. I don't know if it's going to focus. Just to kind of deteriorate the plasti dip and make it fall off really easy. And then once that's like kind of clumped up and all that, I'm just going to kind of scrape it off with the rag. And then after that, I'm going to use some good old rubbing alcohol to drink. No, I'm just kidding. I'm going to use that to kind of just clean it up and get all the residue off to leave it kind of like smooth. These right here are from the tire machine, like when you have to pinch it to put the tire on. That's why they're a little messed up, but every rim has that. So I can't really clean that or fix that unless I file it down, but that's not what I'm doing today. So that's going to clean this up. And then I highly recommend, like, please do not do this without gloves when you're dealing with this stuff. I was told to use gloves, and I was a knucklehead and I didn't use gloves, and I got a tiny bit, like barely anything on my finger, and it started burning. Like, it feels like someone's holding like a torch to your finger or your skin, and it's not fun. So that's why I'm going to be using gloves. And like I said, please use gloves. Do not do it without gloves. So I got some on the rag right here. You guys probably can't see it in focus. It's almost like a jelly, and then you kind of just dab it on there, and then you let it soak in for a bit. You don't want to just scrape it off. And then get some more, put that around it. Do little spots at a time just so it doesn't eat through everything. I didn't have any problems with it eating the coating away on the rim. Maybe that's just because I didn't leave it on there for that long, or it's just not that strong, I don't know. But you go like this. This was a really dry kind of deal. Oh, you can see right there, it's already starting to come off, and I'm barely touching it. So you just kind of scrub it a little like that, and then you can see how easy that comes off. So then it almost stays like that. Obviously you get a little bit more, and then that's when you get the rubbing alcohol right there, and then you just kind of wipe it all away. Alright guys, so I got them mounted on there, got them stretched. They are, like I said, 18 by 9.5 with a 215/40 stretched on there. You get a closer look at the stretch. I'm not really a fan of how much they poke out. Like, yeah, it looks cool because, you know, the rim's out here, the tires inside, it's like perfect, and you know, all that. But I would like it to be like the lip, like right here, like pushed in a little bit. But I mean, I don't know, I think they look good. I'm only running the two fronts right now, like I said. The reason is I want to tuck in the rear. Like, that's just my thing. I want to tuck in the rear, and with these I can't tuck because they're too wide. So if I were to fit these on the rear, it would be pretty much the same exact fitment as the front, like that. So the lip would be like somewhere around here, and the tire, I don't know, I really like this tucking look, and I love these wheels. I love the way they look. So I don't know what I want to do. Let me know in the comments what you guys think looks better. Does this look better right here, or does this look better? I know you guys are used to seeing this because this is how my car's been for a while, but I don't really know. I'm really indecisive. So I have all four. If I wanted to put them on, I could, or if I want to take them off and sell them, I could. But yeah, I really want to tuck all four corners with 18s with the Z wheels, and I still have them in the back of the car right there. So I might end up putting the Z wheels back on, and then trying to tuck those all four corners. The rears are almost there, just want to lower it a little bit more. And then I did end up ripping my rear lip off, so now my car looks a little weird without the rear lip. But I mean, that's whatever, I'll buy a new one. I also got some new tires mounted on the rear because they were shot. I need to get an alignment because my toe is like all bucked up. But so I know there's a few of you who were commenting saying you guys wanted more videos on the IS. There's not really much more to do on it because it is my daily and I don't really want to do too much to it. I just want to keep it somewhat low and stanced, I guess you could say, and just, you know, have it like look almost stock but a little bit, you know, a little bit sauce. But whatever I do to this car, I will film it and I will make videos for you guys. I know I have to clean these headlights because I don't really like the way they look. They're getting a little foggy, especially that one. So I'm going to clean that up. I'm going to show you guys how to fix the little cracks, the little chips on the windshield like that. So those are two videos, I guess, that are going to be coming up, so look forward to those. But yeah, let me know which rims you like better and what style you like better. Yeah, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.